Imagine losing a tooth, yet a bioprinter grows a living replacement using your own stem cells. Research from UNIST and recent 2025 studies makes this reality closer than ever. Unlike ordinary plastic 3D printers, bioprinters use special bio-ink with stem cells and polymers to build living scaffolds, as shown in multiple dental regeneration studies. Bio-ink enables blood vessels and nerves to grow naturally, creating functional tissue similar to real teeth according to 2024-2025 periodontal regeneration reviews. Patient's jaw gets scanned in 3D to capture exact tooth shape and alignment, ensuring a custom perfect fit every single time. Engineers design a precise digital model on computer, defining every layer of dentin, pulp, and complete tooth structure with high accuracy. Bioprinter deposits living dental pulp stem cells layer by layer, as demonstrated by UNIST researchers in their 2019 Dentin Pulp Complex Breakthrough Study. Printed tooth matures inside a bioreactor where blood vessels and nerves develop naturally before safe implantation into the jawbone.
Printing enamel, the hardest tissue, remains difficult due to its complex crystalline structure, a key focus in ongoing dental research.
Using the patient's own stem cells completely eliminates immune rejection risks, unlike traditional metal or ceramic implants. Researchers have successfully bioprinted jawbone and gum scaffolds, according to the 2024 Frontiers Review and recent 2025 periodontal tissue studies. Early human trials for bioprinted dental scaffolds, including PCL resorbable scaffolds, are testing safety, integration, and bone regeneration.
Dental pulp stem cells help the new tooth grow naturally and integrate with surrounding tissue, restoring full sensation and function.
Advanced techniques may soon print custom teeth in just a few weeks instead of months. Precise 3D scanning guarantees the new tooth fits perfectly in the jaw without any bite or alignment problems. Well-matured bioprinted teeth could last a lifetime, offering a permanent natural solution compared to implants or dentures. Printed teeth perfectly match the surrounding natural teeth in size, shape, and color for beautiful aesthetic results. 3D bioprinting combines biology with advanced technology to restore teeth naturally and revolutionize modern dentistry as per recent 2025-2026 studies. Would you choose a bioprinted living tooth over traditional implants? Comment below and subscribe for more future dental tech updates.